look at this nice zucchini right there. We have a lot of ants on this vine, but ants are a really good sign, and they're super good fruit. We have cassava root. They use it in a lot of different dishes, and this is what it looks like. It's a very pretty plant. It's I would say it's kind of, it's more like.
It's a root. It's a tuber.
Yeah, it's a tuber. I feel like it's kind of tropical. And so we have some more zucchini here. And look, this is what purple cabbage looks like. Now, here's the purple cabbage. But it looks like the bugs were getting to it. And let's go down.
Then we have some more watermelon down here that continues. We have some more cassava.
What do you call it?
Cassava, yucca.
Tapioca?
They use it to make tapioca.
Yeah, tapioca.
And then we'll do we'll continue the tour at home. We'll show what we have at home. But this is our 2 rows that we rent from Promised Land Farms.
Okay, so today we're gonna do part 2 of that video, and we're gonna be showing our backyard. So we live in Georgia, by the way, and so we have many plants here. We have a lot of peas growing right now. You can see we have a lot of peas here. Oh, look, those are some peas right there. We have something called nasturtium, and we have it's a flower, nasturtium, my bad. It's a flower, and here's what the leaves look like, and it's so good. Kind of looks like those things you see in the water sometimes. Lily pads, yes. And here's some lemongrass. We also have a little strawberry here. We have some peppers. We have, actually this stuff is peppers. Here we have a tomato. We have a lot of tomatoes here. We have some peppers. Oh, look, I want to show you this too. Here's a bell pepper, a really big bell pepper. That's real pretty. This is a bell pepper. This is a bell pepper. There's a tomato back there. Here's some basils. Here's some green onion. We have a lot of green onion. Here's some cilantro that we're growing. We have some tomato. We have some peppers. A lot of peppers here. We have our dinosaur kale is looking very good right now. Also known as Jacinto kale. They're really good in kale chips. I really like to make kale chips out of these. And these are some more tomato. Here's some sage. Here's some more peppers. This makes me think of pizza. And tomatoes. We have some oregano. We have, what is this? This is an okra, actually. Here is tomatoes. Here's some corn, little tiny corn. Here's some more kale. This is called red Russian kale. What is this, Daddy?
I think they might be cucumbers.
Cucumber. We have peppers. We have more. Look, you can see little baby okras on there. So cute. Here's some corn. Here's some corn. Here's some lettuce. This lettuce is getting really big. Here's some holy basil. Here's some lemon balm. Here's some African blue basil. Lemon balm is real yellow. I don't think it's doing too well. And then this raised bed is corn too. Bell peppers and Jacinto kale, and this is mustards and some more kale back there. And then we have some green onion. Pepper. Green onion. We have some tomato. We have some what do you call it? Fennel. Fennel, and we have some more Jacinto. This one isn't doing too well, but
what's this? Tomato or something?
Here's your green onion, and then here's some more kale. Kale. And then here's something called cilantro that we have. We have 3 plants actually.
What's this?
Another. Oh, look, it's going to seed. cool. And then here's another bell pepper. And look, you can see little baby okra on this one. This is a different type of okra that you saw over there. It's called burgundy okra. I think the one back there was spineless. What is this? What is this, Daddy?
There's a little one sprouting on the bottom.
Oh yeah, that's probably
Two
green
of
onions.
them are sprouting on the bottom.
Some more cucumber there. We
And some
have
else.
okra.
And stuff. We have else.
Okra. And we have, what is that other thing called?
I found.
Garden. I think it's called
Mashishi.
garden egg.
Mashishi.
Yes, it's called garden egg. It's something called mashishi in Portuguese, but so we have mostly, this is something called garlic chives. It sounds weird. And here's some green onion.
Garlic
and
chives,
we have
garlic
a
chives.
tiny little pepper, and then here's some more green onion.
That looks like a Christmas tree. Why?
And this is this is more peppers. We have a little cucumber here. Actually, cucumbers sprout up real fast. There's a little cucumber there. This is something called lemon verbena. What is this again?
Burdock.
This is something called burdock. Here's more not peppers. I feel like this is watermelon.
Watermelon.
This is watermelon. And then that's cucumber, right?
I believe so.
And then we have pepper right beside it. And then we have pea, sweet potato, pea. That's green onion. That's more pepper. This is another.
This looks like a cross mash try.
What is this today? This is probably a.
Yeah.
I feel like this is a watermelon.
Okay.
And then what is this?
I think that's lovage.
This is something called lovage. And then that's mostly it. Oh, and then you see that curly kale. That's the kale you'd be getting from the store. So this is tomato. What is this? I thought this was a lovage.
Sissy.
I thought this was a lovage.
Look it up.
Look
And
at
then
the bag.
this stuff.
Look at the bag.
And then this.
Look at the bag.
And this stuff is some more green onions. I like green onions. They're yummy. Here is chive. See, here's a little close up at the seed. This is what the little seed looks like. Very small.
Chives.
And then here's fennel. Here's more kale. And then we're gonna turn over here. Okay. And then we have a banana tree. Here we have some more lemongrass. And then we have pomegranate. I like to start pomegranate from seed. I have a couple little pomegranate plants I start from seed. So this is something called Mexican sunflower. Now, let me go over there. Wait, give me a second. And then we have something called, same thing over there. This is lemon verbena. I really like lemon verbena. It's really good. It has a nice scent. And then we have some more lemongrass. I feel like lemongrass is a really good plant because, you know, it keeps coming back. And this is something called taro. I think it's a root plant. It's a tuber, right? It's a tuber, and you can eat the root. And we started it from the root. And then there we go. And then we have African blue basil. It's actually my favorite basil. It's really good. I really like it. It has a nice smell. And then we have passion fruit. Passion fruit is probably my favorite plant. It's very yummy. And then this is coming up the gate. How old do you think this probably is? A year?
Maybe 4 months old, 4 or 5 months old.
4 months old. And then here we have a really nice peach tree. It's really nice. It's going really well, and it has a little cousin coming up right here. parsley that's going to seed, you know, because it's getting real hot down here. And then we have, what is this stuff again? More oregano, right? Okay, so we have some more oregano. This oregano is going really crazy. Oh, and then we have mint in here, and it's coming back. Because we had like a herb kind of like little place, and then we moved it back here, and now look what we have. And then what is this? Huh.
I think it's a type of basil.
Okay, it's a type of basil. And then let's go in greenhouse. So right now we have these little because at the store Burpee has these little like pot things that you can put in pots. And then look here, it's a herb little mix. It's a herb mix. It's one of those like, it's like toilet paper, and it has seeds in it, and those coming out. And we have our corn, our beautiful lovely corn, and we have some more kale back here, some chives, and we have some sweet potato. And here's mostly just our pepper and holy basil, raised bed. Here we have our herbs that we have some oregano, we have sage, we have what is this? Chamomile. We have rue again. We have more chamomile, and we have some lemon balm and mint down there. And here's our chamomile. Actually, I really like these flowers. You said it smelled like candy. And here it's in the same pot with their stevia. Yeah, that's kind of like, is that the cousin of the stevia over there? Like family? No, okay. And then we have kiwi, something called hardy kiwi. It's kind of like a kiwi, but without the fuzz. You can just bite into it. I'm really excited for that. And then we have some holy basil. We have more holy basil. Here's a little pomegranate I was talking about. From our seed. Just put them in a pot and then they'll grow. And then here is some bell peppers.
That's malangeta.
What?
That's malangeta pepper.
What malangeta?
It's a type of pepper.
Actually, oh yeah, that's the one that was real tall.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually not bell peppers. What do you call it?
It's called malangeta.
Okay, it's something called malangeta pepper. And then here we have, what is this, Daddy?
It's a type of summer green.
It's a type of green. I'm actually about to try it.
Okinawan spinach, I believe it is.
It tastes herby.
Mm-hmm.
And we have our African blue basil here, and we have our that's our more onions, green onions. What's over here? Is this something? What is wheat? That's probably wheat. What else do we have, Daddy?
Oh, that's
up here.
probably it.
Really?
All right. What else?
Wait, here's our, where was that? Here's a pomegranate. We started it in this tray. They're looking good. How many days do you think until they sprouted?
That's maybe 2 months old.
Yeah.
I think we started in maybe beginning of March, end of February.
Cool, and we have some tomatoes back there. And we do a lot of, not a lot, but we do microgreens too.
Those ones tired. We gotta feed those to the rabbits.
Or chickens.
Mm-hmm. All right.
That's pretty much all. Yeah. So, thank you for watching.